Hi, I'm Rolando. I'd like to thank everyone who have watched episode 1 through 6. And if you have not, please go ahead and check out these authentic Jamaican stories.
As you know, many times, foreigners especially, coming in our country, our coconut water is the best thing to drink. Our first thing they're thinking of. They plan on it before they reach here.
It feels good to see that people say to you, why Martin a giant Friday come and then get some good conch soup or good roast conch. Because over the island, they never taste conch soup like my own roast conch.
Within this 20 years, the first time I tried this on Friday night, a one bag of oysters I eat.
I'm out here for the past 2 years now. Listening like Saturday, Sunday. Breadfruit and ackee get the most sale on those days. Because you know that's why we call it out here Ackee Village.
Growing up, knew that my mother was an higgler. So my inspiration comes from my mother.
It just come natural, but you know, I go to school for it. A nice lady named Miss Miyagi, she teach me about the different nerve pressure point on the beach.
We started in Kingston, we visited Port Royal, we also visited St. Catherine, but we are gonna go much further than that. Our travels will take us through the heart of Jamaica, Trelawney, St. Elizabeth, and we'll visit those popular tourist destinations, Montego Bay, Portland, and St. Anne. But we're also gonna go to parishes that people don't speak about enough, St. Thomas, St. Mary, just to find those real authentic stories, those stories that you may have seen as a child, may not know, or just be surprised at. Even though we're bringing you these stories, we know you enjoy, we'd love to hear from you guys. So comment below and let us know what you think so far. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I hope not. Let us know what you think, and also feel free to make your recommendations. Let us know where to go and who to speak to. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share our videos, and follow us on Instagram @Buzzably.